Here we have a BMW in for a steering wheel repair, and we're going to use LRC1 leather cleaner and a bamboo fibre pad to give this steering wheel a good deep clean. It is going to require restoration, but the cleaning process alone is going to remove an astonishing amount of dirt and grime. You have to remember, steering wheels contain more germs than a public bathroom. It's amazing how many people spend more time having the outside of their car look shiny for others, but yet don't remove dirt and grime like that. That is germs, dirt, grime covering your steering wheel that you're holding, you're touching your face, you're creating all these germs to be transferred from your face to your wheel back to your face, and then again to others. But the dirt and grime that is coming off this steering wheel with just a light clean over initially with LRC1 and a bamboo fibre pad is absolutely astonishing. Just remember, never use a scrub pad on a steering wheel. Bamboo fibre pads are soft and gentle.